Hello everyone, and my name is Mauricio, and I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of the Laravel framework. It's a PHP framework for running web applications. It's incredibly fast, incredibly easy, and it works on the model view controller design pattern. So it's pretty neat and simple. There are a lot of other frameworks out there, but I decided to use Laravel because my work uses it and they pay me to learn it. and and also there's a lot of great features. Like one of them is there's a problem with other frameworks where when there's a lot of users at the same time, you can like overflow the amount of network connections, but Laravel kind of takes care of that. It's very easy and it's very simple to use. Let me show you. If you look at the documentation, yeah, you're running on PHP. There's a lot of kind of things that you need. You use a lot of JSON. You use a composer to install it. Composer, it's another dependency management thing. It's very simple, and I have it right now on my computer. Let me show you. Let's see. Okay, Laravel. Yes, I have it. So I'm gonna just create a quick project for you guys, just so you can take a look at it. So it's as simple as just typing Laravel new, and then let's call UI class sort of thing, and then it's gonna start creating all the documents, all of the things that it's needed to run PHP and to run Laravel, I mean. And then meanwhile, let's open PHP Storm and let's run that. Buddy. I have one already created called test where I can show you guys very quickly what it is. So yep, while this is installing, I can show you this test, and then it's running. And then the coolest thing about it, usually you need to compile your project in order to run it and to test it. But Laravel has this really cool feature called valid, something that you can install. Okay, let me show you here. We have a public directory with all the CSS, JavaScript. And the way Laravel works, it's through routes. So you kind of like assign routes to different controllers. And let me show you the controllers app. HTTP controllers. You can see a home controller. And then you can send information to these controllers. I put Ronaldo as the best. I guess I am a soccer player. I mean a soccer fan. So yeah, you can send things through this controller. It's when you're gonna manage all of your views. Your views are right here on resources, views, and welcome. So you can mash HTML, PHP all in one, and it's really neat the way it works. And then right here, this is a terminal 2. So you can create something called valid park, and then you put your password, and it's basically gonna add this folder into your IP address. So if you go to the internet and you just type the name of the project.test, and you can actually run the project. Yeah, this is the project, as you can see, the styles. It's really simple. You can change things the way you want, like documentation. You want to put Ronaldo. I don't know why I'm so much into soccer today. And then see, automatically changes to Ronaldo. It's a very simple framework, very easy to use, very easy to organize, because you have all of your views here, you have your routes, and you have your controllers. Then you can create models, like this one's called user, and you can fill out with information. This usually works well with like MySQL as the database, and I personally love to use Vue.js for it. Let me show you a website that I'm making for work right now that is using Laravel. Some of you may be familiar with it. It's Siegfried and Jensen, and yeah, this is Siemens. It's very easy to make using Laravel. Thank you so much. Bye.